Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to enable Chrome flag on your Chrome browser in Android. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search Google or type, then go ahead and enter Chrome colon / flags and hit enter. Now you are here, successfully access Chrome flag. So from here, you can experiment different types of Chrome flag in your Chrome browser. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.